In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reference number to your spreadsheet so that we can mail it properly. In my new Podio implementation, it actually creates the reference numbers for you, but I don't want to use those letters yet. I still want to use my letters, so we're doing it in a little bit of a quirky way. You see, so what I've done is if you go into mailings first in Podio, and now notice I'm in H-Zonder, which is where I want to be. I just uploaded my file into H-Zonder mailings. Then I'm going to click on these options, and it says which of the items it's going to show up in these columns. So I'm just selecting a few that look like they're going to be important to me: name, APN. I like to know what the parcel size is, although you don't really need that for this purpose. But I like to see it and see what the offers are, and then unique ID. The important thing here is the unique ID. So otherwise, if you selected them all, unique ID would be way off to the right. You wouldn't be able to see it. This is the key piece of information you're going to need for this exercise. All right, next thing I want to do is I want to select just those records that are in the that I just uploaded. So the filters here are not quite as good as they are in my other implementation. I'm not crazy about this. I would love to be able to just do it by county or some other way. But so what we'll do is I'm going to go create it on. So these are the ones that I've created today. And so we can assume that these are all the ones that I just uploaded, which is where I need the create the reference numbers for. And then I'm going to sort them by name. And now, if I go to my spreadsheet, that I'm going to use, oops, not the spreadsheet, I'm going to use to do my mail merge in, I can see that the names are the same. So Ava Tucker, Barry Moments, it's the same names in the same order, right? So the way the reference numbers now show up in Podio, if I was to click on one of these, I could see, because it actually creates the offer letter if I wanted to use this particular offer letter. So you'll see it says Coconino 188. Now, I don't really want to use that offer letter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use, oh, look, it changed all the information up here. So let's go, oh, no, it didn't. So I'm using two screens here, and it's, oops, you know what I can do is I can get rid of this. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go in next to, I've got county here, it says Coconino. So I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to insert two columns. And I know this is going to be some number, right? So let's just call it, 188. That's what we just saw. So I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a simple little formula in here. I'm just going to go Coconino ampersand. And I'm going to do quotations dash quotations ampersand and then E. And that should give me, here's my reference number right there. So there's my reference number. I'm going to call this unique ID. So in the case of Ava Tucker, it's 188. And now it looks like it goes in alphabetical order. I don't see any skips in here. So all I really have to do now is take both of these and bring it down. Let's see, that should work. Yep, and there you go. So, and let's see, I should have Eduardo and Claudia Gudino. Let's say Eduardo, Claudio Godino, 195, and here it is, 195. There it was. So now I've just created all of my reference numbers, and that's all there is to it.